Hey everybody. I'm hoping the lighting's not too bright on here. I'm using a little trick because I know I get better lighting this way. Oh my gosh, it's already Tuesday, but guess what? It's the night that my BoxyCharm already came. I'm very happy about it, as you guys can probably tell. It's February already, and I can't even believe it's already February. Gosh, it's gonna be Wednesday the 10th tomorrow. I thought I would get this out tonight though because it came so early, and I thought I might as well get a head start. And I don't know how many people have gotten their box already, but let's open this bad boy up. Let's see. Oh shoot. So this is what I'm looking at. BoxyCharm XOXO. I don't think I've ever tried a Saturday skin product. What is this? An exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. So maybe a nighttime thing? Make every day a Saturday. Directions: apply after your moisturizer. Leave on overnight. So you put it on after a moisturizer. Maybe use 3 to 5 times a week. Sweet Dreams cold pressed yuzu seed oil and an encapsulated vitamin complex help improve the appearance of stressed skin to help look deeply hydrated and vibrant with targeted antioxidants. So it's a sleeping mask. The only sleeping mask I've tried is from Dr. Brandt, and literally it just replaces my moisturizer. So I'm really excited to try this. It's actually like just in a plastic container, and it's actually really light for how heavy. It's made in Korea, so that's pretty cool. Sweet Dreams. I'm excited. I have never, isn't that cute? I've never tried another brand. It leaked a little bit. It smells really good. Other than Dr. Brandt's, so I will definitely start using this. And my Dr. Brandt's thing's almost empty, so this is cool, guys. Like, do you see that? There's little like dots in it. I'm quite impressed. You see that? I hope you do. It's like odd. And it's so cool you put it on after your moisturizer. You rub it in and it just dissipates. Excuse the henna. I was playing around with henna. It smells delicious. I put way too much on, so a little bit goes a long, long way. It is so citrusy and yummy. And I love stuff made in Korea. Always. I'm a diehard Korea fan. All my masks, like if it doesn't say Korea, I don't want it. So let's see what this retails for. $29. A lightweight mask works while you sleep to deliver moisture, targeting looks of aging, dullness, pores, whatever that's supposed to mean, stress, and texture. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. So apparently it's not like a citrus from oranges, it's a citrus from yuzu. Okay, what is this? This is interesting. I don't really know about it so much, though. A multitasking tinted and clear balm for hydrated lips and cheeks. The tinted balm blends seamlessly into skin for natural finish. The universal clear balm coats lips and cheeks comfortably for a moisturized feel. Tap and blend with fingertips or a brush onto lips and cheeks for hydration and buildable color. Interesting. So it's shaped like this. I'm not super impressed. I mean, like, these are pretty impressive all around to me. Yes, but I've never been like a fan of the feel of those balms, so depending on how thick that is, and then there's plastic on both sides, so we'll just take the one on the bottom off. And then it's always a pain in the butt. Hey, it wasn't a pain in the butt. So this is kind of fancy looking. Looks like this. I'm assuming that's the cheek and the lip. No smell whatsoever. So this doesn't really spread very far. Oh, I guess it is. It doesn't feel like it is, probably because my lips are so dry. I wonder why it doesn't have a scent. It's nice it has a mirror for your lips. There's a towel right here. How odd. And I just washed my face, so wow, that is a lot of color. And then I got stuff in it right away. I don't know how that works sometimes. So with the top one, a little bit does go a long way. You can see how it spreads out. It is a little tacky, but maybe with foundation it's not that bad. Interesting. Okay, so that one is 22. It says get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the sheer shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. Yes, with absolutely no scent whatsoever. So I'm not a huge fan of it. I mean, it could be worse, it could be better. This one I'm interested in. Very odd. I can already kind of see through this. I kind of like the brush. I always love how they've been putting brush sets in bags. I think that's kind of funny. It's plastic. So there's obviously 4 in here. It's kind of a heavy-duty heavy-duty bag. They are little eye sets, and they are definitely that theme of Valentine's Day. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. So Glamere, that's all it says. Doesn't say what kind of brushes they are or how to use them. However, all of them are very usable brushes for me. Don't know about that one. That one's kind of weird. We can feel how soft they are though. Yeah, very soft. Larousse is softer, but sturdy brushes are definitely my thing. I love how they're like definitely a lot of glitter. I don't know how they're all gonna go down. Whoa. I guess over time they do. So it's fun to play with them. And then like you could give them to your kid to play with too. If you didn't want to play with them. And I know more than 4 brushes could fit in here. I just know it. Yeah, there's sturdy brushes and a sturdy bag. See, like 3 more brushes could fit in there. Smells definitely really plasticky. But overall, very in theme, I would say. Whoa. Flinging stuff all over the place. Okay, so that is $29.95. Glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. I'm excited. Hey, what is this? St. Luxe limited edition liner duo. Liners are, because, well, my liners keep drying out and I need to use them better and faster. I'm definitely, depending on the color of this, going to use them. Looks like they're browns. I don't know about that. Maybe they're lip liner. They're lip liners. Yes, I could always use another lip liner. Love Letter and Secret Admirer. Really pretty little brush. I think you have to. These always seem like they're not actually like a pencil. Like, how nice is that? So that is Love Letter. I don't know how, because it's not red at all. And then this one is Secret Admirer. They are very nice shades, though. So it's a brown and caramel. Hopefully that's showing up very nicely. Never heard of this brand. I wonder why they're limited edition. But that's so funny. The love letter and all that. I think that's adorable because it's in theme again. Like, Ipsy did very good at having a theme this month and sticking to it. I don't know why these aren't going back in the box. Something's wrong. Oh well. I will be using these. So as far as the ink on the back is light colored, so as far as I'm reading, it's just the ingredients list. Doesn't say anything about them, doesn't say if they're waterproof or not. Let's see if let's see if BoxyCharm has anything to say about it. It says those are valued at $40. So far, they're the most expensive thing on my list. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping way easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get plump, kissable looks. It's apparently a new launch, so same with that eye brush set is also a new launch. And then there's one more thing, and it's my choice product. This is actually a way bigger palette than I thought. Holy cow. It's huge. This thing's huge. So this was my choice product, like I said. It is valued at $38, and it says that it consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and most excellent color payoff. So we shall see. It says it's hopefully having a good color payoff. I've never used Ace Beauty, and I'm in my my palettes, and I've already passed the A's, so I'm gonna have to go back now. But look at these. These are big. Nice. Beautiful. That's nice. I saw them and I'm like, well, they're vibrant, so I like vibrant. Yellow is water slide. There's a thing called fun. No, I'm just kidding. And it is gold. Hiking is brown, of course, because, well, why not? Those are going rather good. Theme park is like this like bluish green shade. So far, I'm more impressed with the yellows than anything else. But I always am. Camping is like reddish. It's a pretty good red. For a red, I mean, and on my skin, like, that's pretty impressive. Carnival is purple. You want to see where we are at so far? We're about 6 shades deep. Stargazing is definitely, should be blue, I feel like, but it's like an orange. When I pushed on that, it like moved. Picnic is bright pink for some reason. Don't know where these names from, but that's pretty good. Flip flops is a pretty good. At least you can get a really good purple scheme out of here. Kind of reminds me of Glam Light, I think is the name. There you do the taco pellets and all that. These are really soft textures though. Like buttery soft. Raspberry should have been like not a darkest purple, I feel like. Hey, good orange. A good orange is always good. I don't like the shade peach. Peach. Yeah. Heat looks pretty. And it is. Well, I feel like flower is definitely a good name for it, but it was more like rose. Well then, are you ready? Starting from this side, and going this way. This is it, guys. So this is flower, and then that's beach, and moving on. But look at how vibrant those shades are. Oh wait, I'm missing you. And that's it. Hopefully I'm not totally missing. Hopefully. I wish I could see you guys better. Like, there's a little bit of fallout, as y'all can probably tell. But that's it. I like it. It was like the only like good choice in my opinion. I don't even remember the other choices, but this is beautiful. And let me see one more thing. I already told you guys how much that was. $38.99. I'm just telling you guys one little thing. I gotta tell you something. So even though they were relatively lower priced items, things added up quite quickly. Yep, holy cow. So this valued at $159.94. I had to write down the math, but for February, I think this doesn't have February's. February 2021. But yeah, so you guys should tell me what your guys' box is valued at, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now I gotta figure out how to stop this. Oh my gosh.